each selected problem that we have selected yesterday. So this time we have the detailed activities and the plan on how to go along with these activities for a successful project implementation. Now we start with the group 2, Pantalan and Santa Rita, to present the output for the plan of operation.
So, good afternoon to our teachers. Sir, good afternoon, ma'am. This is the plan for the 2 barangays. The 2 plans, the Green Muscle, Swister. This plan is effective and will you give us some opportunities to look this my project. This is a successful. So for the activities, we have a Green Muscles priority. So the first for the activities, they call for the meeting of the Fisher folks concerned. And another one, the project planning. So the activities for the meeting for the Fisher folks